Making money on YouTube is maybe your reason for starting a channel, but the opportunities to earn are a pleasant surprise once you realize how many of them there are. Welcome back to Tech Top channel with the topic, How to Earn Money from YouTube. If you interested, kindly watch our first part of this video. Number 6. Monetize your expertise. Another great way to monetize your content on YouTube is to make educational videos on your professional skills. It is akin to providing your audience with an online course. Suppose you have expertise in skills used in various industries like video editing, photography, coding, and digital marketing. In that case, you can teach your audience these skills. But on YouTube, you can't charge money for it. That is why you will have to upload your online course on some other platform and use YouTube to attract an audience for purchasing the online course. Here are some pointers that you need to follow while promoting your course. Add all the links to your course in the description box and comment section if relevant, but don't be too spammy. Mention your courses once in a while in your YouTube videos. Number 7. Try selling your merchandise. This method might not be very effective when you are just a beginner on YouTube. But it is one of the easiest ways to earn more money. Selling merchandise means selling t-shirts, mugs, and other items to your fans with your channel logo, or something else related to your channel. YouTube has provided creators with a platform to sell merchandise. That is why you can see many YouTubers doing the same. To make money from this method, you can begin with something small, and then diversify later to more merch. Number 8. Get your content licensed. As your popularity will grow, media companies will want to use your content for their purpose. You have full rights to charge fees when someone wants to use your intellectual property. By licensing your content, you can charge media companies for using your content. The good news for you is that you don't have to be viral to license your content. You just have to share footage that the media company thinks is worthy of news. Number 10. Master the art of YouTube SEO. YouTube SEO is not something that will help you make money directly. But you won't be successful in any of the above-mentioned strategies if you don't learn how to optimize your videos on YouTube. YouTube SEO is how your audience will discover your videos from the practically infinite number of YouTube videos. YouTube is a search engine that has its own unique algorithm. You will have to use high-volume keywords in the description of your videos to rank your videos higher in search results. Hence, you must learn to use YouTube SEO to its full potential. Number 11. Ask your fans and subscribers to support you. You can often hear YouTubers say, "Support me on Patreon." Patreon is a platform where subscribers and fans can support their favorite artists by donating some money. For getting people to join Patreon, you can offer some exclusive content just for your Patreon members. On Patreon, you can set your membership prices. The audience on Patreon pays for that membership with expectations of exclusive content. Therefore, you will have to always be on point and be more honest with your content. These were some of the best strategies you can adopt to make money on YouTube. You don't need to apply all of these tactics. Once you have found what works the best, you can focus on that. There are thousands of options for you to choose your video topics. Make sure that you go with what you love and not what pays more.